Hi everybody, Brian from Steeda.com, here today to speak to you about our G-Trac braces for the front of your S550 Mustang. Like many auto manufacturers, Ford assembles the current Mustang in pieces. They put the rear subframe together and its components, and then the front subframe together and its components, and obviously assemble the car. Now when they're putting the front subframe together, the subframe itself actually is pretty wide at the rear mounting points, and the reason they did this is that it could accommodate multiple engines. Of course, the Coyote 5-liter, the EcoBoost, as well as the V6 in the earlier S550 models. But those bolts being so far apart allow the body to kind of flex and kind of roll. We have two solutions for this that will tie that in. And the benefits to this are sharper handling, better chassis feedback, and more effective use of even the factory suspension or any aftermarket suspension you throw at the car. Let's begin with our Ultralite 2-point G-Trac brace. Now again, this connects the two outermost points. We construct this of chrome-moly tubular steel. In particular, it's rectangular. And the reason we do this is because we want to use a lightweight material, but we also want to have enough surface area to really stiffen up the front of the car, again, to improve handling and chassis responsiveness. For you GT350 owners, this is the right application for you. And for some of our GT owners that have long tube headers, this may also be the right choice for you. If you have questions about fitment, please reach out to us. Now, for you corner carvers out there, we offer an extreme G-Trac brace. This mounts in 4 points and triangulates those 4 points. Just like our Ultralite G-Trac brace, our extreme G-Trac brace is made of chromoly tubular steel. Now we went to a tubular steel because we have 4 points to distribute the load. This also means that even though there's more material, it's lighter weight, 15% lighter than the competition. Both of our braces come with all the hardware required for installation, and they don't require any modifications to the car. Furthermore, we realize that the subframe is actually a stamped tubular steel, and that when you tighten a bolt and a nut against it, it can actually crush down. So we've also provided inserts to prevent that from happening. Again, taking things one step further than our competition to ensure that you have a great handling car. Furthermore, these are powder coated for durability, and we back them with our Steeda lifetime warranty. They're manufactured in the USA at our Valdosta, Georgia manufacturing facility, because speed matters. So, which one is right for you? The Ultralite 2-point or the extreme 4-point G-Trac brace? If you have any questions or comments about this video, please feel free to post them below. If you enjoyed the content, please click like and share with your buddies. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you'd like to learn more about these and many of our other great products, visit Steeda.com. And don't forget to follow us on social media. Most importantly, have a great day.